Hey, Rick from Papa Bear Racing here, and today we're going to look at the question of, is SK replacing Craftsman? I went to Lowe's. I was looking for bathroom faucets, but that's a whole nother story. But no trip at Lowe's is complete without going down the tool line. And what did I see? I saw a display of SK tools. They had no price on them, and the sign above them was for some Craftsman stuff. So it looks like Lowe's is now carrying SK tools. So does this mean that Lowe's is now going to carry SK tools permanently? Will it replace the Craftsman line? Maybe even the Kobalt line? Anyhow, if you've seen SK tools out in the wild, leave a comment down below because it's been a lot of years since I've seen SK tools.